So our next problem is very similar, except now we're adding. And let's just rewrite it. We have 2 over x minus 4 plus 9 over x plus 3. And we need a common denominator again, but I'll just write CD for that. We know that we can just take our two denominators and multiply them together. So our common denominator here, it will just be that x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3. So let's just rewrite this. We have 2 over x minus 4. And now we need to find that common denominator. So we're going to multiply top and bottom by the other factor and our common denominator, namely that x plus 3. And we have to do it in the top and the bottom. And if we don't do it in the top and the bottom, then we're changing the expression. Since remember that x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, this is just 1. And you can multiply anything by 1 without changing its value. Now for this next one, we'd have plus 9 over x plus 3. But again, we need to find that common denominator, so we got to multiply top and bottom by the other factor, the x minus 4. Now I mentioned you can skip the step where you just rewrite this as two separate fractions. We can now just rewrite this as one fraction since they have the same denominator, so we're just going to be adding the two numerators. So our denominator will be that x minus 4 times x plus 3 since they're now the same, and our numerator will be 2 times x plus 3, and then we have plus 9 times x minus 4. And we can simplify that numerator. So we're going to distribute in both of these, and we get 2x plus 6 for the first one, and then 9x minus 36. So plus 9x and minus 36 all over our common denominator, which in this problem we'll leave as factored since that is one of the options for our directions here. And finally, just simplifying this numerator, 2x and 9x gives us 11x. And plus 6 minus 36 would be minus 30. And again, all of that is over that common denominator, x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 3. So this expression here will be our final simplified answer. And if you wanted to go one step further, which the question doesn't ask for, you can recognize that x cannot be 4 or negative 3 since those values would lead to division by 0, which is undefined. But like I mentioned, the question doesn't explicitly ask for that. It just asks us to add these together and simplify it.